Hey guys, so I did this look today. I filmed it, but I wasn't sure how it was gonna come out. I've seen a lot of these, like, I want to call them like Japanese looking makeup with the cut pretty close. So I was looking at the footage. I do like how it looks, so I am gonna put it up. I didn't do the intro, I don't know why, but this is the look. It's using the C Color Cosmetics palette, the Jungle Fever. I showed you guys that I did a haul with it. I picked it up at TJ Maxx. This is the look. So if you're new here, I would love you to hit that subscribe button. Everybody else, thank you so much for coming back, and let's jump right into it.
Okay, so this is the palette, Jungle Fever. It's from C Color. I picked it up at TJ Maxx. I put the tape really close. I know I look crazy, but I wanted that sharp, not so far out cut. And I'm going in with this first color here. I'm going to tap because, I'm always concerned about fallout since you guys know I do my foundation first. So this is like an orangey melon color, which I love how this looks. Nice. So much pigment on it. Um, it does have some kick up. I don't know if you can see it when I tap, it puffs up in the air, but nothing that was like, I had to be concerned that it was on my face. So I'm going to do this for until I get the color that I want, which is like a nice dark, not dark, but like a opaque looking, orange. Tapping motion, I feel like you get the best payoff versus the actual swiping, but I am going to swipe towards the end a little just to like clean it up. Then we're going to go in with this color. It's like like not fuchsia, but kind of like a fuchsia color. And I'm putting that on the inner corner. Um, tapping again, and I love how it looks. I can already see so much payoff with it, so I am gonna just try to clean up the edges a little. That's how that's looking. I feel like I have more lid space on the right eye than the left. Here it's your left versus the right, but I think it came out pretty even. So tapping again. I'm going to go back and forth between this color and the orangey color, the melon color, till I get that desired, color payoff. Now I'm taking off the tape and you can see how sharp that is. I wish I had a white color to put in that little V cut that you're going to see, but I put on some black liner on the bottom, on the top, tight lined, really close to the lash line, and then I'm going to go in and do a wing liner. I'm taking the blue color for the bottom, my bottom lash line. I thought it would be nice to have, something bolder on the bottom, even though these colors are pretty bold, but I feel like blue or green or something like that gives it a nice tropical pop. So again, I started tapping and then I'm rubbing just so that it doesn't look so like splotchy. And it isn't as bold as it looks on the palette, but that's okay. I just wanted some kind of color down there. Easy to work with this palette, super easy to work with. I was super surprised at how much I enjoyed it. Sometimes these kind of colors, when they're inexpensive, can be very like splotchy looking or uneven. This one was so nice. I'm going in with my e.l.f. gel liner in black and doing a nice big wing. And in that V that you see there, I was wondering what I was going to put, but I ended up putting in the rose gold liner that I also hauled from TJ Maxx. I think it's from Revlon, if I'm not mistaken. Looks like that. And I'm going to just do a kind of like a sharp line. Then I thought it needed it on both ends, so I'm going to go down there and then above the wing. I'm not coloring it in, just doing like that V look. And in person, you can see it a lot. It has a nice shine to it. I don't feel like you can see it as much here, but I do love how it turned out. I did my contour and blush because I feel like I'm doing a look based on the palette, not anything else. Everything else you guys seen. I'm using a nude liner because I feel like I needed something nude to keep the eyes my focal point. I'm coloring it in as well. And then I'm going to go over it with this jumbo gloss pencil that I've been loving since I found it. I have another color which is more rosy, but I didn't think to pull that one out. So that's how this looks. That's the final look. And I love it. Love, love, love it. I feel like my creative juices are coming back. And I'm going in with a highlight in the inner corner, and I'm putting it in that V because I felt like it still needed something. So just a little bit in there. On my brow bone. I'm going to put some on my brow bone just because sometimes you get a little crazy when you pull out your highlighter. But I do love how this looks. So let me know what you guys think. That's the look. Love, love, love. Yeah. So if you're new here, you stuck to the end, I would love for you to hit that subscribe button. Everybody else, thank you so much for coming back, and I will see you in the next one. Bye, guys.